Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll discuss how to register on new income tax portal. Hope everybody knows that the income tax portal has changed. So in this video, let us understand how to sign up or how to register on new income tax website or portal. What are required for registration on new income tax portal? Before getting into the video, let us understand what are required for registration or sign up process on the new income tax web portal. In India, an individual or HUF or others need to get registered on new income tax portal. Then the following are the requirements which are mandatory: surname, first name and middle name, date of birth, residential status, valid PAN number, valid mobile number, valid current address, and finally valid email ID. So these are the requirements for registration or sign up on the new income tax web portal. Let us now check live how to register or sign up on new income tax portal. Open Google search engine and type income tax login. Here you will find incometax.gov.in. Click. Now you have been directed to new income tax web portal. Here we have two options, login and register. If you already registered, then you can click on login and enter the PAN number or the user ID and enter the password and you can sign in. If you have not registered, then you need to click on register. For registration, there are 4 stages: get started, fill details, verify details, secure your account. So these are the 4 stages which you need to proceed. Let's get started. Are you a taxpayer or others? As we are a taxpayer, we need to opt for taxpayer. Then enter the PAN number. After entering the PAN number, click on validate. Here it shows PAN validated successfully. Please confirm if you want to register as an individual taxpayer. Yes. Then click on continue. We have completed the first stage, that is get started. Now we have entered the second stage, that is fill details. Registering as individual, basic details and contact details. So we need to enter the basic details first. Last name, middle name, first name. Then enter the date of birth as per the PAN number. After entering the date of birth, gender, residential status, whether resident or non-resident, resident. Then click on continue. Here it shows name entered is not as per PAN. So you need to check how exactly the name is mentioned on the PAN number. So if you don't know the order of the name which is displayed or as per the order in the PAN number, what is the option? I'll help you out in finding out the order and how exactly the name is printed on the PAN number. So go to Google and type income tax payment online, which will be directed to online services tinegov.nsdl.com. Click this. You will be directed to e-payment of taxes. Under non-TDS TCS, click on proceed. This is just to find out the name how it is printed on the PAN number. Select 21, select advanced tax, any bank, PAN number, then click the financial year just for checking out purpose. So we can just enter anything. Enter capture code and click on proceed. Once you drop down, it will show you the exact order of the name. Then enter the name as per the order. Here I have entered the name as per the order, then click on continue. Now it has taken the details, which means the order is correct. Then enter the primary mobile number. Belongs to spouse, son, or whatever it is. I am just selecting a spouse. Primary email ID. Then the primary email ID belongs to spouse. Then if you drop down, it will ask for country, place and everything. So you need to enter the details. Country India, flat number, then post office, then area locality, then district, then state. After entering all these details, click on continue. OTP is sent to register mobile number and the mail ID. So we need to enter the mobile OTP and email OTP. I have entered the mobile OTP, now I am entering the email OTP. After entering both the OTPs, click on continue. Now all the basic details are displayed where you can check it out if everything is correct or wrong. If anything is need to be changed, you can click on edit and you can change the basic details and the contact details. If everything is correct, then click on confirm. Now we are on the final stage, that is secure your account. We need to set a password for the web portal. It has conditions. Password has conditions such as 8 to 14 characters, uppercase and lowercase letters are to be used, a number is used, and a special character has to be used. I have met all the conditions. We need to retype the password. If both the passwords are matching, then it will say that the password is matched. If you want to set your personalized message, you can just put your personal message. This is my personal message, then click on register. Registered successfully. Thank you for registering e-filing and the transaction number is so and so. Your e-filing portal user ID is so and so, and the mail confirmation is sent to mail ID and the SMS confirmation is also sent. So we have successfully registered to New Income Tax web portal. If you want to log in, you can just click on proceed login with your user ID, that is nothing but PAN number and the password which you have set just now. So dear friends, hope you understood with a live example how to register or how to sign up in the New Income Tax web portal. If you have any queries or questions related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.